Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn passive voice of interrogative sentence. Especially, the interrogative sentence which starts from the word, who. Let's learn it. Look at this sentence. Who helped him? Basically, if you want to change this sentence into passive voice, so you have to follow this structure in order to change into passive voice. The structure is by whom plus helping verb plus object plus third verb. Apply this structure and change this active into passive voice. First change who into by whom, and then add helping verb according to the tense of the sentence and then move object to this place and then change the verb into third verb. So, this sentence can be changed like this. By whom was he helped? Look at this passive sentence. First we have changed the word, who, into, by whom, and then we have used helping verb, was, because this is the past indefinite tense. You can also change other sentences like this. Who is eating an apple? Look at this sentence, again change this sentence into passive voice through the given passive structure. It can be changed like this. By whom is an apple being eaten? Observe this one, again we have changed, who, into, by whom, and after this a helping verb, is, has been used because it is a present continuous tense and then an object is used and then the third form of verb is used. So, by this way this sentence is changed into passive voice. Who broke the chair? Look at this sentence, let me change it into passive voice the same way. By whom was the chair broken? You can see, observe this sentence. Again the given structure is followed and the sentence is changed into passive voice. If you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.